Hey guys, so this is a quick video showing you guys how I installed this hair. This is a 22 and 20 inch bundle, the Deepwave texture from Admire Virgin Hair. That is my hair company. If you guys are interested, I left the website there. Today, this is my client, Kastilla. I've done her hair multiple times. This is not the first time I've done her hair. She also has a YouTube channel. I will insert all that information down below. She's an awesome person. She sings and writes her own music. I would love for you guys to check her out. So here we are. She is natural. She has a bit of color in her hair. We are going to be doing a braidless sew-in using microlinks. So here I'm just blow drying her hair from her natural texture, which is a curly. She's natural, of course, yeah. Okay, so here she is all blow dried out. And we have her. We did pass her hair through a flat iron. Probably, I think one pass. We didn't do any more than one pass. I didn't have to because I'm using textured hair to match her hair texture. And here is I'm just showing you guys the micro beads. So you can see there's no braids at all at the base. And here the style is very versatile. She can put it up in a ponytail. She can do half up, half down, which is what she communicated to me before the actual appointment. And if you notice, we did actually color their hair as well. So everything is installed in. I did use all of the 2 bundles to get this full look. The versatility with this hair, or the pros when with doing a braidless sew-in, is that it allows you to be versatile, like I said before, and also it gives you a really natural look. So if you're somebody who doesn't actually want to sew anything in, or you don't want to braid your hair, some people can't stand braids in their hair, this is another option for you to do. I recommend this option. I really do enjoy it myself. And yeah, so I did end up styling her hair. We did pass the iron through it a little bit more just to press it down. Here she's just showing you guys. She's putting her hair half up. And you can see the Deepwave texture gets completely straight, or in this case we curled the ends a little bit. Let's give her some nice body. But yeah, this is a quick and easy install. It took about 2 hours for install. And it's, like I said, very versatile if you're somebody who's interested in extending your hair, adding some more volume, but you don't want to commit to braids. This is an option. It does last for 4 to 6 weeks. You can come in for maintenance. And yeah. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Sunday, think about a Monday, and I'm thinking about a fun day, Sunday.